environment you have sex no it will great impact it will so papa because say focus ne attention no e deviate kakra bi a obehu ne niam ejo kakra so but the way I be keep room no crack keke no etimi boost nioma e twetwe enkomo ba e frefre nioma je say e ma ahomeka bi e ba ho de say de ho be ye kuze no e be ma ho I say true. So just imagine say having a bedroom like this, simple bed, and then having a small chair somewhere, dressing mirror, everything is packed up, organized. Entadie ne nioma bia ne number bia empaboa nhehye mpaase. Ohu say empaboa e de hye mpaase say ye beka ho asem dachi. Na entade a ye de hange da ho. Na nioma bia ne ya de ato habasa na da habasa. Sa nioma ni nyina Africa for ye very common among us. And also eboa wiki ye sex drive. Eboa wiki ye sex moral. Just say e kwan ya be fa so krampo enya failing ne krampo no ye environment no e ka ho bi. Say waba efie. Just imagine, let's look at this bedroom. Say waba efie, just imagine say o bedroom ni. Now what point juma abefie. Let me can we ra another brandy woni ho. Now we ra has say me fan say a Friday evening. Saturday, Sunday you are not going anywhere. Now what bedroom, search this kind of bedroom. Would you share bedroom be crown? What will come in mind? Say we a bema and you own such bedroom and as your bedroom environment it's like this, what do you think is going to be next? You'll be just imagine having one wonderful girl or some kind of sexy thing there to enjoy this beautiful bedroom with, isn't it? Because the environment is even calling for it. You know, even you alone lying down here, you'll be feeling like something is absolutely wrong with you. So the atmosphere will be inviting something. And just imagine say bedroom ni. Now one can crowd to have say no bank crowd two more ends from everywhere. So this environment and as I said as you see near the BBI organized etieno. And no cram pokran at chum. Mob pese obey invite udofo amanaba. All what you are thinking is romance. And wow. At the stress of my as say, the more a bema will feel it sexually, will feel it say, who don't back who can who feel it so with me in your being on another would dear quison. The more you look younger, and men man no secret for me or the grace. And to me, Pamocho, your bedroom, ye no, especially in Africa for your bedroom, ye no. Kwakwasa no emwa niema bi ase e shaneso baako enono enti se me bisa o se udie emu etisen ya me pa twotwo wani na kokoshe environment baby a wutahia edi wo ho pa eho no sen enetie paso bedroom no sen etie me pa twa se etise first one na me de kirewa nioma twa eho ahia na me pa twa sachra emwa wase Gosano, we sure at the beginning now drive no, but for as time goes on, or banner so back out, in your money baby bray, I'll be on a fee, and just say, baby a problem, Uber fianas or both through when income, what's it or one job, because environment no any clear, it's not called, it's not inviting for anything romantic or sexually into be not a Hawajin. So, it's me patch mama yen consider your bedroom. Say ye man very organized. Ye one room pokran ye wa. Mama ye maintain in such a way say ye be man your my portable na organized na nyoma enye all over the place. That is all I'm saying. As someone make oh, it's me part of baby you share your home dear home. A home in here pass I was say you keep home more. A clear, very, very clear and cozy. Na ye dear home amana ye de. It's the environment no great impact pa ever ye dear. A boy, a yen your dream would you my nippedia. And my year ready, my who said, oh, baby, I am to be part of Shannon. So, your first episode, a decaying. Okay, Metro, may give Mema some kind of bedroom ideas. As a bedroom is so, say as soon. How you can manage it to be more pleasant and inviting. As a true say, when you will rap, Mushia, Namu Dimu, but who say yes. When you age environment, know you're comfortable. And a very inviting and a boost to the sex morale as no way I enjoy. Or do grace, me na mercy.